Hey, put the correct answer in the comments if you can still remember your basic maths. Having said that, let's solve it together. The first thing we are going to do here is to solve the one in parentheses. 1 minus 6 will give us minus 5. So we have minus 5 in parentheses to the power of 2. There is multiplication here. So we'll bring it down and we have 2 to the power of 2. And then we have the subtraction here and the 6 here. The next thing is to clear the exponent. So to clear the exponent, we have minus 5 raised to the power of 2 will give us 25. Will give us 25. We have multiplication here. Then minus 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us minus 4. And then we have 6 here. Now, the next thing is to solve multiplication because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Now, minus 4 times 25 will give us minus 100. And then we'll bring down this 6. And now, 6 minus 100 will give us minus 94. This is the correct answer. The answer is minus 94. So why did I solve it like this? How do I know my answer is correct? Because according to pemdas, which is the order of operation, P here stands for parentheses. We do the parentheses first. E here stands for exponent. We do the exponent. And then M and D stand for multiplication and division. We evaluate from left to right. And A and S stand for addition and subtraction. We evaluate from left to right. As you can see, in this equation, we did the parentheses first. After that, we do the exponent. And after that, we do the multiplication. After that, we do subtraction. That is all for now.